Assalamualaikum Lods. Yan Lods, sablot tayo ng pabilisan hipon Lods. Yan Lods. Yun, di ba? Ang sarap. Yan Lods. Ito yung ingredient natin Lods. Yan yung hipon, yan yung bawang, magic sarap, at saka yung margarine. Ang tawag nito na hipon sa margarine.
Oh
so,
my.
Bilisan lang to, pabilisan Lods. Oh, nakalimutan yung bawang Lods. Balang tayo Lods. Ginugin mo. Nalagay ko ng hipon Lods. Na Lods, yun. Lagyan na yung oyster sauce Lods. Tapos yun Lods. Mikos. Yun. Mikos lang Lods. Mikos. Lods, hindi na nakita. Tinakpan ko yung Lods. Kanina ito hindi na nakita. Pabilisan lang to Lods. Lang Lods. Simple lang Lods ang pagluluto Lods. Walang iba. Yun lang. Bawang, tapos oyster sauce, and margarine. Ang Lods, simpleng luto lang yung Lods. Pero grabe Lods, ang sarap Lods. Kita nyo Lods, no, apoy-apoy pa Lods. Yun, diba? Ang sarap Lods. Yun. Yun.
Wow.
Yun lang Lods, salamat.
Wow.